This short video covers the creation of a Windows processing computer that is to be rack mounted with two other computers built to the same specification. I wanted these three computers to be small enough to fit into a 19-inch rack, but powerful enough to act as development machines for the work computers covered in the first video. The board was to be mounted in an aluminium frame of Maker Beam struts, to be large enough to support good airflow. The Ryzen processors had not yet been released, so I opted for the 4-core AMD A10-7870 processors and the ASRock FM2 A88X ITX motherboard. This did have the advantage of having an mSATA slot on the motherboard, which contained a Wi-Fi card, which I removed and replaced with a Toshiba 256GB mSATA card. This cut down on the internal cabling. For the power supply, I opted for a 300-watt SFX unit that was small enough but powerful enough to run the system, which would run at full load 24/7. At the very back of the assembly, below the power supply, is a Noctua 120mm fan, which runs remarkably quietly but still provides enough airflow to keep the whole compact assembly cool. Now we see the fully populated computer with mSATA card, 8GB of memory and power supply all connected. The design of the frame went through many iterations to find the best place for everything. For a power switch, I used the Mod My Toys 19mm momentary switches, a very solid and long-lasting switch. The facing grille was cut out of polypropylene sheet and spray painted with black Plastidip. I'll put links in the description below to the websites where much of this equipment can be sourced. Here we see the Mod My Toys power switch in place. The mSATA card can also be seen in the top right hand corner of the picture. Here we see the Noctua 120mm fan mounted underneath the power supply. The design of the frame allowed all the sockets to appear at the front of the case, making it much easier to access them. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.